Hello, welcome to the class. Let's start our second lesson about New York City. We'll discuss about the life of New York. There are 5 boroughs in New York City. Borough means administrative units within a region. These boroughs include Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, Bronx, and Staten Island. Each borough in New York has its unique feature. For example, Manhattan can be accounted as the economic and cultural center. It is the headquarters of NASDAQ. The New York Stock Exchange is on Wall Street. United Nations is also located in Manhattan. Brooklyn is the most populated borough, while Queens is the largest borough. Yankee Stadium is situated in Bronx, and Staten Island is a suburban area of New York City. To know more about New York City, let's answer the following questions. Question number 1. How do New Yorkers call their public transportation system? They call it subway. Question number 2. How do local people in different cities such as London and New York call their public transportation system? In fact, people living in London call it tube, but visitors visiting London usually call it underground. While people living in New York City call it subway, but visitors visiting New York usually call it metro. This is an example of the subway ticket in New York City. It is called MetroCard. Not every city is using the name of MetroCard for their subway ticket system. For example, people in UK call their tickets as Oyster cards, while people in Hong Kong call theirs as Octopus card. This is the look of ticket vending machine in New York City. New York City has the most extensive subway stations in America. It has 469 stations. It's having the third most extensive subway systems in the world. On the other hand, London Underground accounts for the second, and Shanghai Metro for the first place for their extensiveness of the subway system. So, when you are in these big cities, be careful not to get lost. For question number 3, how much is a single ride in New York City subway? Actually, you have to pay $275 US for it. That is about 80 NT dollars. Now you know people living in Taipei are paying less for the subway ride. Question number 4. You see a $10 cover on the drink menu. What does it mean? That means you need to pay $10 to get inside of the restaurant. Cover charge can also be called as table charge. It's an entrance fee charged at bars or restaurants. They do not include the cost of the food you order. So let's take a look at the poster. It says no cover at the bottom. So that means you do not have to pay for the entrance fee. Question number 5. If someone asks you if you can spare a dime, what do they want you to do? In fact, they want you to donate some money. This is an example of a dime. It means 10 cents. Coins have two sides. The one with the president's portrait is called head, and the other side is called tail. Question number 6. If someone asks you if you're a hardcore of Yankees, they want to know if you are a baseball fan of Yankees or not. Now, let's know more about Yankee Stadium. Yankee Stadium is home for New York Yankees, the world-famous baseball team. It's the most expensive stadium ever built. It cost $2.3 billion US. It also accommodates 50,287 spectators. And this is the look of Yankee Stadium. Now, let's check if you can answer the following questions. Read the questions and fill in the missing word. If you're a hardcore of New York Yankees, an enthusiast fan, Yankee Stadium at the Bronx Borough is the place for you. When asked to spare a dime, you are asked to donate some money. Some restaurants or bars require cover charge as an entrance fee. This is the end of the lesson. See you next time.